What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, bro. Today, y'all won't even believe me. I told you I had gave y'all no hints of this, but we got new taillights for Susie, bro. I've been saving up. I've been doing a bunch of these little installs. I've been saving up, getting some Spec D taillights, blacked out with, smoked out with black tinted with the white bar, and that's why I got this one as the white bar, because they just go with that with red reflectors, because you couldn't get that all black because it's illegal. But pretty much today, I will be showing y'all how to install these and pretty much what they look like after. I love the Spec D. A lot of people say to get the VLANs, but Spec D I think is just a lot better. I like the way the design is, and bro, all black with the black car, sexy, bro. Anyways, let's flip the camera. Pretty much, I'll show you a little product review a little bit, and then we'll go right into the install. So here are the taillights. Like I said, the white bar. It's a lot darker in person than on camera, but the red reflectors on this side and there. But overall, in the end, it's still just black and tinted out. I got the plug and play kit. Well, it kind of comes with plug and play kit now because a lot of people were complaining about it. So plug and play kit, super easy. And it comes with some resistors. They're in the packaging. Fine. I left the packaging inside my room. I'll be right back. All right, so we back. Here are the instructions that came with it, and then the resistors. Pretty much, I don't have to read how they put the resistors in, but I think all you got to do is actually just plug it into both of those, the yellow and black wire there. So we'll see. All right, so first things first, go ahead and pop the trunk. And we got Timmy here, help me out. And just like the install for the third light, pretty much take everything out the trunk like so. So pretty much take everything out the back, not everything, just the main three. Go ahead and pop these three out, take out this piece, and pop the liners for both so you can get access to the rear tail lights. So let's get straight to that. So pretty much 3 clips there, then 1, 2, and I think 3. Same with the other side. And then pretty much after that you can remove the liner. It's just like when we did the third light. But this time actually both sides. Now you got access to both of them. And make sure to disconnect your battery. I almost forgot. All right, so after the moving the trunk liner, pretty much take out these there's 3 8mm bolts, and then this is another one, and you just kind of take off like that, and then unplug this one. Just get access to the full tail light. But make sure to hold it so it doesn't fall out. So after removing all the 3 bolts and then unplugging the wire, this should just pretty much just pop right out from the back side. Be careful with it. There it goes. And that is the tail lights off. Hit me up on Instagram if y'all want. No, I was playing, bro. I gotta keep these stock ones. But I said, while you're here, pretty much just clean off the surface because you're never gonna get back here again. I'm gonna wipe this all down with alcohol. Same with the other side. But we're doing this both at the same time. So yeah, just wipe it all down with alcohol, and then I'll show you how to put it on after. Yep. All right. So here is first look at installing these. Pretty much tuck the wires in and everything. Make sure all the lines, screws line up like so. And then after that, all you gotta do is just push it in. Oh. Hold on, the tip's not touching it. I'll keep on. There it is, ready? Hold on, my fault. That's good now. And somehow this magic came on too. But yeah, next step, pretty much, is bolt all 3 on each side, 6 total, the 8mm, and then connect the old harness to the new one like so. I'll just show y'all real quick, like that, and then put the bolts back on. So I'll show y'all after. I said after that, pretty much add the resistors. I think red goes to yellow and black goes to black. Then after that, just go ahead and peel the double-sided tape. I'm not even tape, it's like a gel. So, and then just find a place for you to do it. I'm gonna put it over here because it's out the way of everything, and it's just on the wall, so nothing's gonna hit it. And then after that, go ahead and plug this wire in, clicks in, and you're all set. So now move on to the other side. And pretty much now I do put all the liner back like so. And I'm just gonna time lapse it. So y'all can go ahead too. Just go ahead and time lapse that. All right, now time to close it. And y'all ready for the review? Go ahead, Sammy, show them the honors, bro. Show them the honors. Actually, let's get a little sneak peek. Ready? On my side. Okay, clean. Now, Tim, go your side. Ooh, looks so nice. It's a moment of truth here, guys. The lock button Okay, Tim, you gotta turn the car on. No, switch camera, switch camera. Left side, left side. Oh, yo, oh my God. Right side. Hazard, hazard. Reverse. Oh, brake, brake. Oh my God, it looks so nice. I don't know why this looks orange in person. It's actually red. I mean, orange on camera, it's actually red. But Jesus, bro. Oh my God, do the turn signal again. Oh my God. That's beautiful, bro. Yo, that shit beautiful.